Nana,
Yeah.
my mom,
And my grandma.
and we weren't able to make it because it's a major snowstorm. So we just wanted to say hi to everybody from upstate New York and let you know that we are going to our favorite
Bristol Mountain.
ski area.
Look, wait, guys.
It goes like this: Bristol
Mountain.
Mountain. And it's, I don't know how many vertical feet it is of
It's
terrain,
a lot of feet.
but it's a really great mountain, and it's where Story learned to ski. No, actually, she learned to ski in Aspen. But we're gonna do a snow report from the mountain. So that's what we got going on. We love all you guys, and we hope to get on the plane tomorrow so we can go see Nana for her birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
That this boot right here, this boot, we
Doesn't
just tried.
simply not fit my foot.
It doesn't fit her foot. Boot doesn't fit on her foot, and it's too small for her. Here, let me try to. Here, let me get an angle here so you guys can see this. Watch. Here we go. Ready? 1, 2. I'm gonna pull this up with my. Oh my god. As much as I can. Okay. All right. Here we go. Ready? I feel like she's having a baby. Push. Google it. Everybody Google it. Does your foot expand when it gets colder? We came to go skiing. We can't get her.
I will not give up.
Hey everybody! We made it. It's blue skies and Story is still wearing the same boots. Yeah! Oh, we got this. Come on. Yep. Yeah! Let's go show them how nice the powder is, Story. You guys want to do some tree skiing? Hang on. Story's in front of me. I'm following her. Yeah. Folks, she is. Woohoo! Whoa. 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 Yeah, right on. It's really nice. It's really awesome skiing.
Hey, everybody.
Hey, we are leaving the mountain. Bye, mountain. Look how pretty it looks. Can they see?
Oh my gosh, look at that.
It's so
It's so
beautiful.
pretty.
Look at all those lights.
Look at that. Okay, guys. See you when we get back home.